Hey, Sydney.
Okay, so guys, we got a package from Barnes & Noble, and I know exactly what it is. It is the, I think it's 20th anniversary of Twilight books that they released a while ago, and I paid a lot of money for, and then I figured out they're at Costco for half of the price. Oh well. Oops. Bam. Stick it there. We're not gonna show any of my information. No, we're not. Okay. Go like that. And go like that. Wow. And we have a bunch of air, and I see them. Whoa, they're heavy. Here's the whole series. We got, it's a little dirty. Twilight, New Moon, Eclipse, Breaking Dawn, and Midnight Sun. Throw that over there. We're gonna open it. Here's the back. Obviously, I'm gonna keep the big box. I just want to take them out and see what they look like on the inside. All right. Let's go. Oh, and it says Twilight Saga Deluxe Collection, Stephanie Meyer on the top. This is heavy. I'm exaggerating a little bit on how heavy it is, but like, it's heavy. Okay. Deluxe edition. Oh. Whoa, I thought we were gonna fall over. I don't know what that smell is, but it's a familiar smell. Okay, let's just take out, let's just go like this. Can I get one out? I'd like to get the OG. Oh, there's the bottom, by the way. Okay. Okay, that works. That totally works. They have the little stars on the side, and it says, oh, they're all falling over. Okay, this is Twilight, the original, Stephanie Meyer, with the little sparkles on the side, and then the original back, and it says, about 3 things I was absolutely positive. First, Edward was a vampire. Second, there was a part of him, and I didn't know how potent that part might be, that thirsted for my blood. And third, I was unconditionally and irrevocably in love with him. All right, so that's the first one. And then let me see if there's anything cool on the inside. The first page is like green. Twilight. I love the sprayed edges. I think that's all the special stuff. The sprayed edges. Just. The inside is green. It's really pretty. I love it. Okay, let's scoot those over. And put it back into the book set. I'm gonna go like this. We're gonna turn it to the side like that. All right. The next one on top was Midnight Sun. This is the front cover. And here's the side. Midnight Sun is obviously the big one. I can't sleep, I murmured, questioning her question more fully. She was silent for a moment. At all, she asked. Never, I breathed. As I met her penetrating gaze, read the surprise and symphony there, I abruptly yearned for sleep, not for oblivion, as I had before, not to escape boredom, but because I wanted to dream. Maybe if I could be unconscious, if I could dream, I could live for a few hours in a world where she and I could be together. She dreamed of me. I wanted to dream of her. She stared back at me, her expression full of wonder. I had to look away. I could not dream of her. She should not dream of me. I have yet to read Midnight Sun, but just reading that little synopsis on the back, I want. Again, the pages are green in the front, and whoa, yeesh. And on the back, we're gonna put that. I'm gonna put it like over here since it's not in order. Okay, here is Breaking Dawn with the little house. And the back that says, "Don't be afraid," I murmured. "We belong together." I was abruptly overwhelmed by the truth of my own words. This moment was so perfect, so right. There was no way to doubt it. His arms wrapped around me, holding me against him. It felt like every nerve ending in my body was live wire. Forever, he agreed. So cute. I have a feeling that is like the wedding scene. I have not read Breaking Dawn either. Green. Whoops. Green. Gonna set that over there. Here's Eclipse. Stephanie Meyer. And the back. It says, "In the dead silence, all of the details suddenly fell into place for me. With a burst of intuition, something Edward didn't want me to know. Something that Jacob couldn't have kept from me. It was never going to end, was it?" I have read Eclipse. And then here's the green. And the green. I'm gonna go like this. Free all the pages. And New Moon. I really love these covers. They're so pretty. There's the side of it. And here's the back. It said, "I knew we were both in mortal danger. Still, in that instant, I felt well, whole. I could feel my heart racing in my chest, the blood pulsing hot and fast through my veins again. My lungs filled up with the sweet scent that came off his skin. It was like there had never been any hole in my chest. It was perfect, not healed, but as if there had been no wound in the first place." That is not about Jacob. I'm pretty sure that's I would have said like jumping into the lake. Is that when this happened? I need to reread Twilight again, but yeah. Okay, let's put New Moon in the little thing. New Moon, and then we go Eclipse. And then we go Breaking Dawn. And then Midnight Sun. Go. And see if I can fit Midnight Sun in there. Okay. There we go. No! No, it's wrong. No. Give me Midnight Sun. Hunky girl. No, don't bend. I don't like when you bend. Okay. There we go. Now I did it right. I have a whole dedicated shelf for this. god. I love it. This is the Twilight 20-year anniversary book. And it's the original cover with the sprayed edges. Oof. I don't know why they put that in there. It says Twilight 20th anniversary. Stephanie Meyer, author of #1 selling book. And then it says, and so the lion fell in love with the lamb on the side. It has a cute sprayed edge on the top and bottom. I'm gonna go like this. I feel like that looks so cool. I've already read the back. Ooh, that is gorgeous. I really hope she actually makes those other new books that she said she wanted to make. Here's the front. I don't want to bend the page, really. I really hope she makes those other 2 books, because I would love, like, a book about Jacob and Renesmee, or, like, I don't know, just something in the Twilight universe. She said she wanted to rewrite these original books, and I'm like, no, I will not buy them. I love Twilight so much, and I will not buy a rewritten version. But if she continues the series, or like does it in a different perspective, like in Midnight Sun, have all of my money. But yeah, I think it's just so pretty, and I'll show you what it looks like on my shelf. Alright, here is my Twilight shelf right now. I think it looks really nice. I just adore all of my Twilight books. Thank you again for watching. Check out another video or see what I posted on my other channels. And don't forget to like the video and hit subscribe. Bye!